Hello, I am going to be showing you how to set up named keyframes per rig. So first we have our open studio, and what we're going to be doing is first we need a creature to grab. So we will be grabbing the Corvirax, and we only need to be keyframing the walk and the run animations. So we're going to take this guy in. He does not have a humanoid, so we'll add that. And then we're going to be using the Roblox animation editor. Here, click on your character and create the animation. And then what we're going to do first is import an animation from Roblox, and then we want to grab from Sonar Studios. So the fastest way we can do this is actually go back into where Corv is, go into its data file, and then grab the animations. And I'm just going to kind of side screen this really quickly. Awkward. Anyways, so first we'll go ahead and we'll do the walk animation. Grab the ID and input it here. And it should load it up. Perfect. So we have our animation here. The walking step should only have 2 sounds. Oh my gosh! Oh my guys, I'm so... Ah! What did you guys say? I'm so embarrassed. No! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I literally am so Oh, I thought this was... Why did none of you guys say